You left the village with hope in your eyes, city lights shining bright in the night. Dreaming big, chasing something new, but the struggle hits harder than you knew. Bills piling high, no job to find, pressure building up inside your mind. But you remember the ocean breeze and the land that gave you peace. Etuga nondangele, etuga nondangolingoli. Why you standing here alone when your blessings are back home? Lesu I Nakoro, Lesu tale, back to the place that raised you. El tete manda, kolimanda. Build your future step by step. No more waiting in the town, no more feeling lost and down. Your strength is in your vow. Lesu I Nakoro, start again. Lesu I Nakoro, start again. It's not just farming like before, it's business knocking at your door. Fresh produce for the market stand, opportunity in your own land. From cassava fields to the reef outside, there's wealth where your roots reside. Be your own boss, take control, let the village heal your soul. Kwani mandua, your future's clearer than you see. The land is calling out your name. Come home and change the game. Lesu I Nakoro, Lesu tale, back to the place that raised you. El tete manda, kolimanda. Build your future step by step. No more waiting in the town, no more feeling lost and down. Your strength is in your Vanua. Lesu I Nakoro, start again. Lesu I Nakoro, start again. No shame in going back, that's where your power's at. Your ancestors paved the way, now it's your time today. Rise up, youth of Fiji, stand strong and believe. Lesu I Nakoro, Lesu tale, our land and sea will never fail.